Today we're doing a really small unboxing of a few Dior Beauty products, and I am opening up a Louis Vuitton accessory, and I need you to help me decide if I should keep this or give it away to one of you. This is Lula LV. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by today. On this channel, we do talk mostly about Louis Vuitton, but also other luxury designers, premium beauty, and contemporary designers. If you like any of those topics, then please do make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you like today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I am going to set this Louis Vuitton box aside, and let's start with the Dior Beauty items. These are items that I purchased directly from Dior.com. How gorgeous is this box? I love Dior packaging. And here is the envelope with the receipt and the return label. We'll set that aside. And this is what I purchased. First, it comes with this beautiful pouch that was a free gift. This pouch I really like because most of the free cosmetic pouches I have are all wide. I don't think I have any that are flat like this, so I will definitely use this. So this was the free gift with this purchase, this really nice Christian Dior cosmetic pouch. And well, here, let's start with some of the samples. I have two samples of the Capture Total line, their super potent serum, and the Cell Therapy Correcting Eye Cream. I do love getting these samples. I also received a perfume sample. This is Oud Ipsan. I am sure I butchered that name, but this is from their Privé collection of fragrances. I will put the fragrance notes up on screen. I have not tried this yet, but I was really impressed by the Gris Dior fragrance, which was the last fragrance sample that I got in my last order. And it's from the same collection as this one, so I'm really looking forward to trying this out. I'm editing this video a few days later. I've used this fragrance every day for the last couple days, and I think it's one of my new favorites. It starts out very floral and powdery fresh, and then it dries down to a really rich, warm, ambery fragrance. So this, I think, may be my next fragrance purchase. I love it. Now on to the items I ordered. I only purchased a couple things, and I bought the eyeshadow and serum. Wow, this is really reflecting my camera and light. Now, you may be wondering, in my last Dior Beauty unboxing last month, I purchased the holiday gift sets of the mascara and eyelash primer. I said that I was giving one away, which I did. That was my last giveaway, and I was keeping one for myself. Well, I ended up not keeping it for myself. I ended up gifting it to my mother-in-law. So I purchased myself just the regular full size of the Dior Over Curl mascara. Just a plain, simple black mascara. I do like this because it does give my lashes a nice curl. And this is the Dior Show Maximizer 3D Primer. I started using a primer on my eyelashes because I like that it gives me a little extra volume. I tried the Clinique primer and I like the effect of it. However, I found the Clinique primer was a little clumpy at times. So this Dior one, I think I will get a lot of great use out of. And I did already try it, and it's definitely not as clumpy as the Clinique formulation. So these are the two mascara products I purchased. And then I also got the Dior highlighter. Open it up. And this package is just phenomenal. I love this. This is the Dior Forever Couture Luminizer in shade 01 Nude Glow. It has almost like a patent leather look to the top of the case. And here is the highlighter. I'm just going to use my finger because I don't have a brush handy. But it just gives a nice shimmer. You can see here. So this is the third item that I purchased, the highlighting powder from Dior. So those are all of the items that I purchased, and I received a lot of really nice free gifts with my purchase. So I'm really happy with that. And again, this was ordered directly from Dior.com. When I ordered it, I was moved up into the silver level of their beauty loyalty program. I normally don't order from Dior.com. In the past, I've always just purchased from my local department store. However, when I wanted to get the holiday sets, I had trouble finding them in stock at the department stores, so I ended up ordering directly from Dior.com. And with my second purchase, I was moved to the silver level of their loyalty program, and with that, I received this free gift. It comes in this beautiful Dior box, and here's just the product information. And I received a very generous sample of their serum, the Capture Total serum. This is the same serum that I received a sample of in my order. A sample of, I'll actually just keep it in, the Miss Dior perfume. I actually received another sample of this with my last order. So now I have two of those. I think once I add up enough, I may just get a free bottle of Miss Dior perfume. And this is the color 999 Dior lipstick. There we go. So this is the silver level Dior Beauty loyalty gift. And for silver level, you just have to make 2 purchases from the website for a combined total of $150, which is really easy. So if you order from Dior at your second purchase, you will receive a free gift. And this is what I received. Now on to the Louis Vuitton unboxing. And this is the piece that I need your help deciding what I should do with it. So first, let's open it up and see what it is. This actually took 2 months to arrive. I ordered this at the end of October, and it was not sent out to me until December 18th. So it took almost 2 months to arrive. Even though it was in stock on the website, it was, I guess, back ordered and took that long to arrive. It's a pretty small box. I'll open it up. And I'm actually just going to slip it out the side so I don't disturb the sticker on the wrapping paper, because I may not keep this. And I got the bandeau called the Vivian and Beyond design. Here you can see, oops, Here you can see Vivienne on a planet, I believe on the moon, with a little Louis Vuitton flag. And you can see the Louis Vuitton monogram flowers as stars in the night sky. This is a black silk with pink, yellow, and white designs on it. And then moving over to the other side of the bandeau, we have Vivienne sitting in a hoop. I love this little monogram flower here with a ring around it like the planet Saturn. And on the back side, there is just the Louis Vuitton monogram print in pink, blue, and yellow. And it says Louis Vuitton on the bottom in little dots. So I purchased this kind of on a whim when I ordered my Vivienne in New York City bandeau. That was part of the Vivienne holiday collection. I was on the website and I saw that this bandeau was also in stock and I ordered it. However, my initial reason for getting this was because I thought it would make a great giveaway item. I love bandeaus and I think they're a great way to add a little bit of Louis Vuitton into your look. So I actually purchased this as a giveaway item because in November was when I had my 1K subscriber giveaway. But as I said, this was not received in time, so I ended up doing Dior Beauty for my giveaway. But since I've opened this, I do really love the look of it. And now I'm wondering if I should hang on to this, keep it in the box, and use this as the giveaway item for my next giveaway, or should I keep this for myself and purchase something else for my next giveaway? Comment below, keep it or give it away, to let me know what you think I should do, and I will do whatever most of the comments say, keep it or give it away. I'm not sure when I will be hosting my next giveaway. It may be for 2K followers or perhaps on my 1-year anniversary of being on YouTube, which will be at the end of February next year, 2023. So comment below, keep it, give it away, let me know what you think I should do with this. I really hope you enjoyed this Louis Vuitton and Dior Beauty unboxing. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to come back every Wednesday and Friday for new videos. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye now.